What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another vlog. And in today's vlog I'm just gonna quickly show you my bedroom. I am actually in Istanbul, Turkey, and just for the weekend. And you know what, a quick room tour. Just started from there, got in. This is the bed. Sorry for the mess. This is an old TV. It's just so old. Love it though. And you got your little working desk here and a big mirror. What's up guys? If you've not subscribed to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. A quick working desk there and more room here. It's a really big room. Just put in some stuff in there, and from that corner just a chill area and good. I think there's lighting back here. Let me see if I can turn them on. Yeah, there we go, a little bit of light in here. So just a quick chill area down there, and this is the outside view. Really amazing. And today it's on a Sunday. Got lots of mosque. There's one on this side. I'm gonna quickly show you. Oh, the windows are dirty, but that's for another video. Just concentrate on the views. I'm gonna open this, show you guys outside. Oh, there's a bee. Oh no, it's a ladybug. Oh, lovely. All right, that's it. A quick view on the outside. Turkey, Istanbul, Turkey. Sunday morning views. Amazing, really. I'm just gonna open this one again. And you got your, and let me see, just a phone, lamp, and there we go, the bed. It's a very comfortable bed, by the way. And you got one more here on the side. And yeah, another view here. I love this side view because not only you see beautiful skies, but you also got your little dolphin in the swimming pool down there. Amazing views of Turkey. All right, that's it for that side. Let's close this one again, open it again, and you got your sofa, just a chill area. And yeah, and this is the way outside again. And you got two closets, one closet here, and just a quick, could just drop your stuff down there, and the second closet is on this side. Yeah guys, and yeah, the most important part, let me switch it up, the toilet, which I love really. So you got your sink, really simple sink, and shower down there, which is amazing. Great way. And the toilet, I love this thing, you know, that thing down there. If you like turn this one on, let me see if I can get it. There's water coming out of there, and you can clean everything well, if you know what I mean. And yeah, that's it, the sink, and that's the toilet, and we are back. That's a quick room tour. And for all these guys, this is 35 euros. So wherever you are in the world, just do the currency. I don't know how much that is in your area, but 35, it's really affordable. And yeah, I'm staying here for a weekend and a day, so three days in total. And yeah, quick room tour, not bad. I'm just gonna quickly chill here in the sofa and edit some videos. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, be kind to one another. Peace.